A night to remember. Unraveling Night on the Tiles. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a particularly colorful phrase, night on the tiles. This idiom might conjure up images of rooftop adventures, but its meaning is grounded in much more relatable experiences. Stay with us as we uncover the history, meaning, and usage of this intriguing expression. Night on the tiles is a British English idiom that refers to a night spent out enjoying oneself, often involving going to various bars, clubs, or parties, and usually implying coming home very late or at dawn. The phrase captures the essence of revelry and nocturnal adventures, hinting at the possibility of overindulgence or excessive partying. The origin of night on the tiles is somewhat elusive, but it's believed to stem from the imagery of cats roaming rooftops at night, getting into adventures and escapades. Over time, this imagery was anthropomorphized to describe people who spend their night in similar, unrestrained enjoyment. The tiles in this phrase refer to the rooftops, symbolizing the high-spirited and often uninhibited nature of such nocturnal activities. Using night on the tiles in conversation or writing is a great way to add flair and color to your language. Here are a few examples to show how it can be integrated. After the final exams, we're planning a big night on the tiles to celebrate. He looked so exhausted at the meeting. Must have had a night on the tiles. Are you up for a night on the tiles this Friday, or do you prefer a quiet evening? The phrase is versatile but typically used in informal contexts, perfect for casual conversations or storytelling. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the phrase, night on the tiles. It's a wonderful example of how language can capture the spirit of human experiences, wrapping up tales of adventure and revelry in a few simple words. Next time you're planning a festive outing with friends, you'll have the perfect term to describe your anticipated escapades. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.